Hello, Elsie.
Hi.
What were you doing today then?
Ooh, we are unboxing today.
Oh, unboxing. What are we unboxing? What are we unboxing?
Shimano BAITRUNNER.
Oh, Shimano Baitrunner. Okay, fishing reels. Oh, that's great.
So, can you see that? This is from Angling Direct.
How much were these Baitrunners each?
We bought two, but one for this one is £49.99.
Okay. So Baitrunner ST 6000 RB, and it's made by Shimano. So they're one of the best real fishing reel companies I know of. And did we get some line as well? Style line, alright. So I've not opened these up. I don't know what's inside them. Shall we see what's inside?
So basically,
Nothing in there.
nothing in there. And then have this one. Wow, so beautiful.
So just the reel, nothing else. Is there any spare spools in there?
No, just only leaflets.
Just a very nice box.
Yeah, the leaflet.
Instruction.
The instruction things. Top one, that is the
Handle needs to. That's okay.
now I fixed that.
Oh, okay.
So
Maybe turn that other side of the.
yeah. You need to fix this one. Screw.
Okay. Let's have a look at this. Okay. That's the line capacity then, I guess. So of 0.3 diameter, 0.3 millimeter, it takes 270 yards, 270 meters I should say. Alright, so you can fit probably a left and a right arm. So you can be left-handed, right-handed, okay? What else can you tell me, Elsie?
So what is this?
That should be what you call the drag. So on here, sorry I'm coming in the video a bit. If you turn that knob at the back, that Baitrunner's on, so we'll flip it off. No, that's already off. That's off. So when it looks like that Baitrunner is off. Now if you turn that'll make it harder or easier for me to turn this.
Yeah.
Now that's easy, so make it harder. That's it. That's much harder now.
Oh, okay.
And there's another thing just here, look. Just here, that one. Turn that one. Yeah, that is That's the Baitrunner resistance. So that goes like that. That's easy at the moment. You can change it to easy or hard. So you can turn that and make that hard. Keep going. Yeah, easy. It's much harder now. That's much harder. All right. Look underneath the reel. See if there's anything else. There's this. Do you know what that's called? Anti-reverse. So it stops it. It can go backwards, or it can go backwards as well. This reel, the spool should be. Sorry, Elsie, I'm taking over this. This is, I think, made of graphite. So Shimano reels are known for their high quality. And some people who've owned these have known them for 30 years and they don't break. Absolutely fine. Just keep holding that. And this bail arm can go. You can just flip it with your hand, which is good. And we've got a large diameter pickup there. All right. That's it really. I didn't think, I wasn't sure what was going to be inside there.
So I think it's a bargain,
yeah? Yeah, $49.99. It's actually about the same price as it was 30 years ago. Yeah, so we're using it, we're going to use it for all sorts of fishing. And you can't beat this quality for this price really with Shimano.
I see it's really solid.
Great. So you can have my old ones. Here's my old one. Here's my old ones. You can have them.
Yeah.
I'm using these.
Yeah, I'm a bit learning, so I don't mind use the old one.
I'm only joking. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thank you.